Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a easy but eye-catchy drop down shadow on a button. So I already have written a text and make a rectangle using this rectangle tool. Now I will add a layer style on the white rectangle. Select the white rectangle layer and go to the layer style. Press on the drop down shadow. From the layer style, make the distance 15, make sure the spread 0 and size 25. Press OK. Now right click on the effect button and create layer. New layer is created with the layer style. Now I am selecting the layer style layer and pressing Ctrl T from the keyboard. Click right button and select the warp. Once the warp is selected, you see multiple dotted around this layer. Now I drag this point to upward and this point to upward with the same distance, maybe little lower. Both should be little lower. More lower. Here it is. Click enter. A stunning but simple button is created by the drop down shadow. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, share the video. Thank you very much.